A chilly day across the Pioneer Valley, and not just because temperatures were in the 40s, it was the whipping wind that made it feel so cold. Our 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explains why.
The stronger the wind is, the colder it feels. That's because the wind blows away a sort of boundary layer of heat surrounding your body. That can make a day in the 40s feel closer to the 20s or 30s. And that's exactly what happened Saturday. Meteorologists call this feel-like temperature the wind chill. A wind advisory was in effect today for wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Now, the National Weather Service issues those anytime winds are strong enough to cause scattered power outages and downed tree branches on roads. So if you're driving late tonight, definitely keep an extra eye out on the streets. On top of losing a layer of heat around your body, wind chills your skin similar to the way blowing air over hot soup cools it off. According to the wind chill chart, which uses a set mathematical equation to estimate the chill, a 45-degree day with 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts can make the temperature outside feel close to freezing. And for early November, that's cold. But some longtime Western Massachusetts residents say they're used to this type of weather.
Like I said, I've been living in New England all my life, so I can wear shorts all year round. That doesn't really bother me.
Strong wind gusts are likely through Saturday night, so as temperatures dive into the 30s, it will feel closer to the teens.